Good job, Katie. Getting on it. You want to help her open her box?
Oh, thank you.
Did you get a buddy?
Yeah.
Open up the box. You gonna help him out, Daddy?
Let's sign up. Okay. Flip this side.
Hold your buddies up, let Mama see. Cool. Yeah, is that Frosty the Snowman?
Yeah.
Lift his hat up. Lift his hat up, Charlie. Can you lift it up? Here, let me see. Here. There he goes. Cool. He's all lit up. See, cool, buddy? You guys like your Frosties?
No, Ma.
Yeah?
No. It's an eye.
Yeah. Is that his broom?
Yeah. He. Die.
Yeah.
It's high.
Aw, that's so cute, Katie. Look up at Mama and hold your Frosties. Hold up your Frosty the Snowmans. You say thank you, Mommy, Daddy?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Katie, say thank you. Like, nope, I'll just smile, that's good.